Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Bala Gaming on Deck. This is my official YouTube channel. For those who are new, welcome. In today's video I am going to do a tutorial, step-by-step guide, if you will, on how to get the Australia Outback map working on Steam Deck. So first thing you want to do, as you can see I'm on Steam, is you're going to go across to ATS. Then go across to the settings where it says manage, so you'll click on there. Then you want to go on properties, and this is a very important step, guys. Then you're going to go across to betas, and on here it says temporarily 1.53 1.53 for incompatible mods. It needs to be on that. So what you do is click on there, and for those who are on update 1.56 or 1.55, it will actually be on none, because you'll have the most recent update. For those who obviously need to change it, you'll click on where it says none, and then you'll go down until it says 1.53, and then you click on that. Then you can close that bit, and then it will download. May take a while, but as you can see I've already done that step. And when it's finished, it should say this, look, temporary 1.3 in blue next to it. But we're not going to start the game, because the rest of the video, we have to, for next step, we have to go, let's start downloading what you need, shall we? So I'm obviously going to close that for now. We'll come back to that later. For now, I'm going to go in my web browser. And then you're going to go in Google or whatever your search engine is. I am on Microsoft Edge, so it's Google for me. Then you're going to go in the search bar and you're going to type in ATS Australia map. So again, that's ATS Australia map. Then you're going to scroll down until you get to truckymods.com. You're going to click on that. And once you're on here, I'm just going to zoom in before we download. And as I said, while we went on Steam, beginning of the video, like I said, compatibility 1.53. So yeah, it's very important, guys, that you all back, because otherwise the mod won't work, I'm afraid. But anyway, now we are here. I'm going to click on download. You do need to have an account on mod trucks, but for those who have, you can just download straight away. But I'm just going to click on screen here. But for those who haven't, you'd go where it says my name, but on here it won't say a name. Just click on it and then you would sign into your account, and then you can download from there. But as it is downloading, I'll bring it back up, show you. It may take a while depending on your internet, as we all know. But for me, I'm actually going to cancel this because I actually already downloaded, guys. But obviously, you'd wait until you download complete. And once your download's complete, you will go follow the steps coming up in a second, mate. Everyone. Right, so now I'm back on here. I'm going to go in here. You should recognise this area. And there it is. It's in downloads folder. And this is the one that we just downloaded off modtrucky.com. So I'm going to double tap on it, because you need to extract it, guys. It's very important that you do follow these steps. Then it's going to extract, and it will extract everyone in this folder. I'm going to click on there. As you can see, it's finished, so I'm just going to close that. I'm just going to close that one. I'm going to close that again. And as you can see, it's created a new folder. So once that's done, so you don't get confused, I would suggest you hover over the green one. Keep your finger on it. and then move it to the trash because you're not going to need that one now. And then once that's done, you go inside this new folder, tap on it, whoops, getting ahead there, so sorry guys, yep, just had to put in that folder. And in here, you need the one that says Australia Outback Map V5.2 SCS. You definitely need that, so I'm going to move that onto the desktop. When it lets me, guys, I'm going to leave it on there. And the rest that you see in here are actually optional. You've got customer logos, so if you like your realistic logos, you would grab that one. So I'm going to grab that as well. I want to close that. And then drag that onto here as well. Now, if you want it to be the same for the Australian map, there's two options. If you want it to be the same scale as SCS, the developers, that they made their maps like for California and all the other maps, you would actually grab the default now, which is this one, which is what I'm going to do. But this is actually optional, because if you don't want it to be the same size, you can actually have it as a 1:1 scale. But for the purpose of this video, we're not going to do that. So I'm going to grab that, put in there. And then we're going to grab, we don't need the red one, which is the manual. So I am going to move that to the trash. And then you've got your draw distance, which I'm going to tap on and extract that. It's very important that you extract this one, everybody, for those who want to use it. Just going to close that. And since I've done it, and then I'm going to move the green one again to the trash. Then I'm going to go in this folder. And in here, there's different draw distances depending on the type of computer you're using. Obviously, the one that says low draw distance, that's for people on a low-end PC, guys. The one that says medium, obviously on a mid-range PC. The one that's on high-end is obviously high-end PC. Default draw distance, which means basically it's like the version that SCS uses themselves. And extreme is for people with a really expensive top-of-the-line PC. But if you're not too sure which one's suitable for you, there is a readme text, so I'm just going to click on that and show you on screen, guys. Bear with me. And there you go. You can pause the video if you'd like to look at that and read it. Unfortunately, I can't zoom in, or I would. But for me, as I am playing on Steam Deck, I would recommend that you either go for default draw distance or high draw distance. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to try the high one. So I'm going to grab that and drag that onto the desktop. Now you can delete all these, which I am going to do when it lets me, that is. So I don't need them. But you can keep them in case you want to like experiment and change them around to see which one works best for your PC. But I don't need to. Right, then what we're going to do is I've got 4 files. Like I said, the ones that look like they're in a yellow folder, they are optional, but the grey one is a really important one that you do definitely need. But that being said, we're going to show you now where to put them. In here, going to go on home. Then on this side, I'm going to look for Steam. Tap on that. Then I'm going to look for Steam once again. Then I'm going to go through here and look for Steam apps. Click on that. Combat data. And then I believe for ATS, they're probably thinking, where's my game? For those who may not know, is actually 270880. So you click on that. PFX, driver C, users, Steam users, my documents, and then there it is, look, American Truck Simulator, then mods. Sorry guys, I have got a bit of a cough, so I do apologise. And then you're going to drag all of these into here. And I have already done this, as you can tell, because I already have this in my game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to overwrite, but you won't get this if it's the first time doing it, so don't worry about it. Oops, didn't let me drag that one first time. Try again. Right, as you can see, there's none left on my desktop, guys. So as you can see, I moved all 4 files, so I close this because I don't need to be in there anymore. And for the rest of the, yeah, you can actually, who are on Steam Deck, you can actually press return to home and then load your game. But because I am recording from my Steam Deck, it makes more sense to me to just continue from here for now. So now I'm going to open up Steam. Then I'm going to start my game, and I'll talk to you again in a minute once I load inside, guys. And I will show you the next couple of steps. Well, I'm here. We are going to create a new profile for the sake of this video. And on here, before you do anything else, I suggest you use Steam Cloud. Because personally, I don't want my game updating while I'm using this modder, because it'll just update automatically, so that's why I turn that off. Then you want to go in where it says mods. And as you saw, I had 4 mods downloaded from Australia I chose to use. So the one that's, you can actually see a picture, the logo, that goes at the bottom. Remember, if you just want to use this one and you want your game to be 1-to-1 scale of the Aussie map, you can just click confirm and then go on to the next step. However, for the sake of this video, we are going to be using 3 of the optional mods. So this is where they go. Default, draw distance, custom, company logos, and then I click on confirm changes. Then on here, before I do anything else, untick that again because it showed up again. Then I need to change the map module. Very important you do this, everybody, if you want to use this map, otherwise it won't work. Then you look for aus.mdb, so you don't keep it on America, guys. And then obviously change your language or create a company name. For me, just bear with me, guys, because I am in desktop mode, so I have to use my keyboard. It's not next to me, so give me a second. I'm just going to type in something random. You don't have to. You'd obviously put a proper name in. Any picture will do for me. Whoops. On that one. Any truck. Me, and we'll go for that one. And then click on there. And it should only take a minute or two to load in, guys. But first we're going to have to do this quick sell. Do this as quickly as possible. As you can see, I just skipped through most of that. Right, this is a look at the map. I know it's very hard when you first come in to see the roads, but I'll come back on this map again once we're loading, so you can see in more details. Hit start location. No, we don't want to do tutorial. We all know how to play on this game. Well, most of us anyway. If we've been on this game before, so we need to skip that. Right, so here we are inside the truck. Just gonna come out. And as you can tell, we are on the Australian map. And quickly before I go, I'm going to show you on here. And here we go. A bit more detailed. See bits of the road. Right, guys. And that is gonna be the end of the video for today. So this helped anybody out. So feel free to hit the like button for anyone who's new to the channel and appreciates my content. And also, if you wish to do so, remember to hit the subscribe button. I do bring out daily content at least 3 times a week for now. So I'd appreciate all love and support as much as possible, since I'm a new channel. But until next time, take care everybody. Bye for now.